Millions of XRP grabbed by whales. Is XRP about to take off? A regulatory risk loom as investors consider an SEC appeal. Guys, we got so much to talk about today in the XRP community. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video. I'm your host, Amr. Let's not waste any more time and just get right into it. So firstly, we got this post coming on the XRP subreddit. What is a safe amount of XRP? If your wildest predictions came true, how much XRP would you want to be holding? Also, what would you recommend someone to hold based on current theories? So, honestly, before we even take a look at some of these responses, all of it really comes down to the person themselves and what you're able to, we're able to risk. At the end of the day, it's a risk, and we need to make sure that we're being smart about our assets and know that there is a huge and definite risk that comes with investing in XRP or any cryptocurrency at that matter, right? So I think it comes down to personal, like what can you risk. So, report designer, he had to say holding 14,000 of XRP should be enough. I hope a retirement fund. Yeah, I think it will be. I'm thinking the same. Would love to see $3 in 2024, 25. Yeah, fingers crossed. I'd want 100K plus. I'm nowhere near, but it's an amount that should see you comfortable later on in life. Yeah, I think 14K would work as well too. Like if you have your own retirement fund on top of this, yeah, you're solid. Pieces of candy had to say, just like any other investing, is what, yeah, I agree with him, is what you can personally afford to lose or willing to risk. Been here since 2016. Don't buy into the 1K dollar per XRP, flip the switch, hidden ledger, XRP buyback, BS. It's just content creators farming your views and clicks. Valid. 90% of the YouTubers' videos are clickbait, but XRP being worth some real money is either going to happen or it's going to collapse. And given the partnerships and the scale of Ripple at this point, I'm betting on the former. I agree. All the work and technical advancement and partnerships and lawsuit, it's not all for the sake of XRP staying under a dollar. True, I agree. I agree. At the end of the day, it is a risk, but I think it's going to work out in a way where XRP is going to be worth it in the long run, guys. And that's my belief. Can't say I just hold 2K XRP. Very nice. If you could go back to when Bitcoin was 75 cents, how many would you hodl? I think that's the best answer to your question. Yeah, and I think the answer to the question is what you can at that point. What you can you risk, you know? Very valid. Buy if it's a good price for you. Buy what you can afford. Sell if you have a reason to divest. Sell what you need to. Hold if you want to monetize. Hold if you speculate higher prices in the future. Anything more than that is just people trying to sell you something. It's not difficult. Don't make it difficult. Very solid. There's always some solid advice coming on in subreddit. So yeah, guys, if you're ever curious about how much you should invest, there's an answer for you guys. Next, we got this post on the XRP subreddit as well. I'm trying to buy XRP, but I need a safe place to hold it. Is XUMM wallet safe place to hold it, or are there better options? Uh, First response, anywhere but the exchange, I would say, and I agree, guys. Let's get into. So somebody responded saying, why not the exchange? So let's get into some reasons why. So they can be sued at any time, lose their funds at any time, essentially losing yours before you can react. It's happened to other exchanges, and people lost their money and crypto. So somebody said XUMM is fine. Get a ledger. Ledger is compromised. Get a treasure. Treasure, please. Ledger is a risk. Don't know why I'm getting down on it. There are no open source, and they've updated. They're not open source, and they've updated their firmware so that you can recover your phrase even if you lose it by $30 or something. Ledger stated that the seed could not leave the device. That was live. Firmware update now offers recovery service. Ledger is closed source. You can't verify if the seed is transferred regardless if you consent or not. U.S. law could enforce Ledger to hand over seeds. For me, Ledger is now basically a hot wallet. Interesting points. But I know for a fact, not holding on an exchange is the better move. Because there's a lot of risk that comes with holding onto exchanges. Make sure you get your assets, your XRP, off onto at least a ledger, I'd say. Not your coins, not your keys, not your coin. You can keep it at any exchange, not your wallet, or put it in a cold storage, your wallet. Thoughts on the Coinbase wallet? I wouldn't use it for XRP. For XRP, I use XUMM and Ledger. So, guys, let me know two things. One, how much XRP are you holding on to? Do you have a long run XRP plan and short run XRP plan? What are your goals with XRP? How much do you hold? And secondly, where do you keep your XRP? Do you keep it in an exchange? Do you keep it on a wallet? Do you keep it on Trezor? Do you keep it on XUMM? And what wallet do you keep it on? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. I'm very intrigued. Next, let's get into some articles here. Firstly, we got this one coming in from FX Empire. Regulatory risk loom as investors consider an SEC appeal. So let's get into it. So, on Saturday, there were no SEC versus Ripple case related updates to the investor appetite for XRP. However, uncertainty towards the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case and increasing regulatory scrutiny remained headwinds. The expectations of the SEC appealing the court ruling on programmatic sales continue to leave XRP short of 70 cents. The SEC versus Ripple case entered its final stage in November. According to the November 13th, 2023 court order, the SEC and Ripple must complete remedies related to discovery by February 12th, 2024. And guys, I know we've gone over this many times, but it's a date that we should all really know. Should keep your eye out for that day. The SEC and Ripple are working toward a settlement relating to the XRP sales to institutional investors. A settlement or of Judge Annalisa Torres' ruling on final disgorgement could influence investor appetite for XRP. The SEC is eyeing a penalty nearing to the $770 million in XRP sales to institutional investors. However, case law favors a significantly lower number. Legal experts have speculated the amount could be below Ripple's $150 million legal bill in bringing down the number. Ripple could cite Morrison v. NAB. The Supreme Court ruled that SEC has jurisdiction over U.S. based sales. In other words, the SEC must deduct the XRP sales to institutional investors outside of the U.S., which I think is valid. I think that's totally fair. Let's get into it. So, a lower penalty could increase market expectations of the SEC appealing the programmatic sales ruling. The SEC sued Kraken for acting as a broker, dealer, exchange, and clearing agency for crypto asset securities. Kraken also faces charges for commingling customer fiat and crypto assets with their own. In the court filing, the SEC listed 16 cryptos as securities. XRP was notably absent from the list because of the programmatic sales ruling. And SEC went against Kraken, and Coinbase could incentivize the SEC to appeal the programmatic sales ruling. The matter of classifying cryptos as a security is a significant one for the SEC and the crypto market. A successful appeal could give the SEC more powers to regulate the U.S. digital asset space by enforcement. However, if Judge Catherine Fila grants a Coinbase motion to dismiss, the court could throw out the Kraken case. Significantly, a Coinbase win could force U.S. lawmakers to expedite the rollout of U.S. regulatory framework and quash fears over the SEC appealing the programmatic sales ruling. I think it's supposed to be squash. But yeah, so very interesting, guys. While I talk about this, I'm gonna bring up some of these price charts. I'm gonna turn off my camera so you guys can take a look at these charts while I'm going through it. Let's take a look. This is the weekly chart for XRP. But yeah, so it's very interesting with the whole SEC case. I wonder how it's gonna play out in the long run. I think it's gonna go in SEC or in Ripple's favor, but we can't really see until it happens. Here's a daily chart, and yeah, so like I said, I think it's gonna favor XRP. Right now, it's looking like all things towards it. However, the settlement case is what I'm really interested in. The settlement fine, sorry, the $770 million. I wonder, and here's a 4-hour chart for you guys, and I wonder how long that's really going to take. And not only that, I wonder how long or how much of that $770 million is going to be actually processed in the end. Truthfully, I don't think it's going to be anything, crazier than $770 million. I don't think it's going to be that. I think it's going to be deducted quite a lot, but that's just my prediction. The SEC could pull anything out at this moment, to be honest, and we would never really know. Anyways, moving on, once I turn my camera back on, is this article coming in from U.Today. Millions of XRP grabbed by whales. Is XRP about to take off? So let's get into it. So in a surprising revelation, prominent crypto analyst Ali Martinez reveals that XRP whales have engaged in a buying spree, accumulating a staggering 11 million XRP over the past week. The total value of acquisition stands at an impressive $6.82 million, marking a notable uptick in bullish activity within the market. Analyzing on-chain data, Martinez illustrates a significant surge in XRP whale activity by providing a chart detailing the trajectory of their purchases. Remarkably, these big players now boast a collective XRP wealth exceeding 10.45 billion tokens, representing slightly over 10.5% of the total XRP supply. What makes this development What makes this development particularly intriguing is its current amid a persistent downtrend in XRP price, characterized by lower lows and lower highs over the past 3 weeks. However, this downward trend did not deter the whales, who seized the opportunity to amass XRP at a rapid pace during this period. A notable instance was observed last Tuesday and Wednesday when the market experienced a substantial 5.4% dip, only to rebound the following day. Analysts and experts view such takeovers as bullish signs, indicative of a strong buying interest from major players. The overarching question now echoes throughout the crypto community: is XRP on the verge of a significant surge? While the answer remains uncertain and depends on various factors, the heightened interest and active participation of major players undeniably adds a positive dimension to XRP narrative. The market eagerly waits to see if this influx of XRP by whales is a precursor to potential upward trajectory in its price, marking a major momentum for popular cryptocurrency. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys guys think? Is this just talk, or do you guys think there's actually some sort of significance to these whales buying? Is it going to cause a bullish trend? We'll have to wait and see. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Regardless, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some important information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'm your host, Amr, and until the next video, have a good day and good luck trading.